tutorial of salary management system. In today's tutorial, we will discuss the basic of the salary management system, where we have to generate a salary data bank for the company according to the given policy. We have two sheets in this tutorial, a salary data bank, and the second is the salary policy. In the salary policy, we are given this salary policy model which we have to follow to generate the salary data bank, and then we have overtime policy, half day deductions, leave deduction policy, late coming deduction policy. So let's discuss the first how to generate the employee ID auto. So I'm assuming in this salary model all the figures is on the basis of assumption. So here 1001, and then drag and drop it towards downward direction to the last cell of the given format. In this case we have 200 employees. So 200 employees are generated. Now next we here need to recall the rank. We are given total 12 ranks, and our job is to distribute these 12 ranks among 200 employees. Just write here equal and then click on the salary policy sheet from where we are importing the data is rank. I'm clicking on the B4 and then pressing enter key. You can see this is the reference of that cell from where we are calling the data, and that's included in this sheet with the name salary policy. And then just double click on the selected cell, you will get the data automatically. Here you will notice that after guard we are getting 0 because we have just only 12 ranks. After that there isn't anything in the policy salary policy, that's why we are getting 0. So we need to distribute among rest of other employees. For that we assume that MD, CO, chairperson and assistant chairperson is only one position in the organization, while from manager to guard they may have multiple positions. So select from manager to guard, copy it. After that go to the paste menu bar. In the paste menu bars click on the first value. So what I'm doing by clicking on that, I'm actually fixing it data, and then just double click on the selected region and you will get data automatically for the rest of other employees. Now we need to recall the salaries for the multiple ranks from the given salary policy. For that we use a formula, VLOOKUP. I have already discussed the details of the VLOOKUP in the other tutorial. Please, if you don't know about the VLOOKUP, so watch that tutorial. Here we look up, I'm calling here, I'm looking the value for MD in the table array, and that table array is my policy table. I'm going to call ranges in the previous tutorial with the name ranges. I have already explained how to make, edit and delete the ranges. Please, if you do not have any information about ranges, so just watch that video. And then I'm calling pressing F3 control F3 only. I'm pressing control F3. I guess I have some problem with that key, so you may write here the name as well. The name was salary, SAL. As you write the first or two letters, you will get the name automatically. Just double click and pass there. 2 is the column number of the lookup table array from where I'm calling the desired value. In that case is the salary, and 0 for the exact matching. So I got here the salary. Just double click. For the rest of other you are getting the salary. If you go to the salary policy, you would see here in the second column of this policy table I'm having the basic salary. That's why I passed here index number 2. Okay, after that, once you have written the formula, then for the rest of other, just select and copy and paste to save your time. In the home allowances, we have in column number 3 of the salary policy, and just go and edit it. So here I'm changing the column number, that is 3 in this case. So this 3 giving me 0.1, that's mean 10%, while we need the amount of 10% on the basic salary. For that, I'm supposed to multiply this rate with the given basic salary. In this case is D4, and you will get 25,000 of 2,50,000 rupees. And now just double click, copy this formula and paste and change the only column number. In this case we have the index number 4 for the medical allowances, while for the fuel allowances we have 5th column number. For increment we have 6 column number. For bonus we have 7 column number or the index number. For the provident fund we have 8 column number, and then just double click, you are getting data. For the remaining cells, I'm leaving this middle portion, we will discuss later on. Over here I'm calculating the taxation. So for taxation, I'm clicking over here and getting here I'm getting here the ninth, because if I see, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9th, in the 9th column number of the salary model policy we have the taxation rate. And one more thing guys, you all know that tax is applicable on the gross salary. So let us add over here a gross salary column. So what if I add over here gross? Yeah, it is already there. So let me calculate gross salary. In this case, that's from basic salary to the provident fund, and then I got the basic salary. You can see this sum formula is used for that if you are beginners. Then drag and drop for the others, you are getting data for 200 employees. Now this taxation is applicable on the gross salary. So here in this case, I'm not supposed to write here or multiply with the basic salary. I have to multiply this with the gross salary, and I'm getting here taxation. Since in accounts we represent all deduction, tax is the deducted figure from your basic salary in the negations. So in accounts or finance, so I have to write here minus before v, and then click on the comma style. You will get the desired figure in the parenthesis that shows the deduction.